You will be told a story. Listen to the story carefully. Then you will be asked questions about the story. Correct answers will be displayed at the end of the test. Enjoy watching.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the edge of an enchanted forest, there lived a young girl named Elara. Elara had always been curious about the mysterious woods, but the villagers warned her not to enter, for tales of magical creatures and hidden dangers abounded. One day, unable to resist the allure any longer, Elara decided to venture into the heart of the enchanted forest. As she strolled among the towering trees and listened to the whispers of the leaves, she discovered a clearing bathed in soft, ethereal light. In the center of the clearing stood a majestic unicorn, its coat glistening like moonlight. The unicorn, named Luna, spoke to Elara, revealing that the forest held secrets that only a pure-hearted soul could uncover. Elara, entranced by the magical revelation, vowed to protect the enchanted forest and its inhabitants. As the seasons changed, so did Elara. She became a guardian of the enchanted forest, ensuring its harmony with the outside world. Her bond with Luna deepened, and together they faced challenges that tested their friendship and courage. The villagers, unaware of Elara's newfound role, noticed the positive changes in their surroundings. The once mysterious forest became a source of prosperity, and the village flourished. Elara's secret, however, remained hidden.